Hello, dear students. Today we discuss the dot product as well as cross product in unit second +1 kinematics. Myself is Balbir Singh Joda, DM Physics, District Patiala. प्यारे बच्चों, we know about three dimensions, three directions, x-axis, say y-axis, say z-axis. In vector notation, x-axis is represented by I cap, y-axis is represented by j cap, and z-axis is represented by k cap. If we represent any physical quantity like force F in three dimensions, then we can write it in the form of, say, 2 I cap, say, plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap Newton. This is the unit of force. Basically, this is the method to write down the vector in 3D. Similarly, we can write another vector like displacement. We can write it, say, I cap, j cap plus k cap meter. This is the displacement. Now, in vector notation, when we want to multiply the two vectors, we cannot multiply by simple algebra. There are two methods to multiply the vector quantities. One is known as a dot product, other is known as a cross product. Dot product other is known as a cross product. Let me suppose we have the two physical quantities, A and the B. Both are the vectors. We always take the dot product of the two physical quantities if the resultant of that physical quantities is a scalar. Is a scalar. Means here R is the resultant of the two physical quantities A and B. If this one is a scalar, then we always take the dot product. This is known as a dot product. Now, on the other side, what about cross product? If we have the two physical quantities A and the B, but their resultant is a vector quantity, say R, this is a vector quantity, then we always take the cross product. Very clear? बेटा तुसी चंगी तरह समझ लिया होना भी किस जगह उत्ते डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेनी है, किस जगह उत्ते असी क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लेनी है. अगर दो फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज दा आंसर स्केलर आ रहा है तो असी हमेशा डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेनी है. इसका सैकंड नाम जिहड़ा है वो असी इसनूं स्केलर वैक्टर भी कह सकते, स्केलर प्रोडक्ट भी कह सकते हैं. अगर दो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का आंसर वैक्टर क्वांटिटी आंदा है, भाव आंसर दे विच बकायदा मैग्नीट्यूड भी है तो डायरेक्शन भी है, लाइक आर, इसमें मैग्नीट्यूड भी है डायरेक्शन भी है, तो तुसीं हमेशा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लैनी। अगर असीं एग्जाम्पल्स की गल करिए, लाइक यू नो अबाउट द वर्क, W is for work. You know work is always F and S. Both are vectors. But work is scalar. Work is scalar. So we always take the dot product. What is the example of the cross product? This one is say torque. This one is a torque. This is the symbol for the torque, say tau. Torque has a direction. Turning effect of force is called torque. This has a direction. And this is the multiply of the two vector quantities R and F. Because the resultant torque is a vector, so when we multiply the R and F, we always put here cross product. Very clear? याद रखने वाली केड़ी गल आई? अगर दो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दा आंसर स्केलर है, then we always take the dot product. अगर दो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दा आंसर वेक्टर क्वांटिटी विच आ रहा है, भाव आंसर कोल मैग्नीट्यूड भी है ते डायरेक्शन भी है, then we take the cross product. Okay, now करना किस तरह, डॉट प्रोडक्ट का मैथड की है, किवें असीं अगे वधना है? Let me suppose there is a vector dot b vector, a dot b. How can we solve these two? This is always equal to a magnitude, b magnitude, and cos of angle between them. This is the meaning. A and B. You can also say that dot product means magnitude of A vector and component of B in the direction of A vector. You can also say that what is this one? This one is known as a magnitude of vector A, and what is this one? This one is known as a component of B vector in direction of A vector. Component of B vector in the direction of A vector. So A dot B is always A, B, cos of theta. Okay. Now, let me suppose A vector is equal to, say, I cap AX plus J cap AY plus K cap AZ. This is the supposed vector, A vector. Similarly, we take another vector, say B vector. You can write it I cap BX, J cap BY, K cap BZ. Now we want to make its dot product. What do we do? First of all, to solve this numerical, we know multiply this term by this one, this term by this one, this term by this one, then this term by this one, this by this one, this by this one, then this one by this one, this term by this one, this one by this one. So how many total terms? 3 is null, 3 is null, 3 is null. 9 टर्म साडे कोले आउणगीਆਂ, बट ਅਸੀਂ 9 लिखणੀਆਂ नहीं हैगियां, क्योंकि ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਗੈਟ i ਡਾਟ i। ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਗੈਟ i ਡਾਟ j। ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਗੈਟ j ਡਾਟ j। ਔਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਵੀ ਗੈਟ k ਡਾਟ k। ਸੋ ਤਿੰਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਅਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ i ਡਾਟ i, j ਡਾਟ j, k ਡਾਟ k। ਔਰ 6 ਅਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਜ ਹੋਏਗਾ i ਡਾਟ j, j ਡਾਟ i, k ਡਾਟ j, j ਡਾਟ k, i ਡਾਟ k, k ਡਾਟ i इन जाएंगे। Now, if we try to solve these three terms, अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਤਿੰਨ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੀਏ, this one a b cos of angle, I cap means 1 because this is the unit vector into multiply I cap second one, इसकी भी मैग्नीट्यूड कितनी है 1। What is the angle between I dot I? That is cos of 0 because I and I both are in the same direction. So what is cos 0? This is equal to 1. So you can say that if you have I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, this is always 1. But if you have I dot j, j dot k dot, in all these the angle between I and j, j and I, k and j, this is always 90 degree. So what we get here? Magnitude of the first vector into magnitude of the second vector into cos of angle between them, that is 0 because I and j both are perpendicular. So cos 90 is 0. So we can say that I dot j, j dot I, k dot j, j dot k, I dot k, k dot I, this is also 0. So कहने तो भाव है 9 प्रोडक्ट्स विचों 6 प्रोडक्ट्स 0 हो गई, सिर्फ 3 बचियां। वो असीं इत्थे देखो किवें लिखना तुसीं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू टर्म्स। You are going dot product a dot b, a dot b. First of all, you multiply this one, you get I dot I ax into bx, I dot I ax into bx. So I dot I 1 you get here, ax into bx. Then you get I dot j, this is 0. Then you get I dot k, this is 0. You get j dot I 0, j dot j, j dot j, this is 1. So you get here a by b by. Then you multiply this one, k dot I 90 0, k dot j 91, k dot k, this is equal to 1. So get here k dot k 1, you get az bz. This is the answer. This is the answer of the dot product a dot b, which is equal to say r. Clear? I ax, I bx, these are becomes scalars now, क्योंकि डायरेक्शन असी वक्री शो करती, ये मैग्नीट्यूड्स हो गई, ये डायरेक्शनस हो गई, ax bx मैग्नीट्यूड्स, I ते I डायरेक्शनस, डायरेक्शन की मल्टीप्लिकेशन I dot I1, j dot j1, k dot 1. This is your answer. Let me suppose A vector is equal to I cap j cap plus k cap. Let me suppose B vector is equal to 2i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So what is your question? Find A dot B. A dot B. Find out A dot B. What we do? Very simple. सब तो पहला जरूरी है, कोई टर्म मिस हो सकती है, पर तुसी हमेशा लिखन लग्या फर्स्ट वैक्टर नीचे दूसरा वैक्टर लिखना है, और आई नीचे आई, जे नीचे जे, के नीचे के होना चाहिए। अगर आई अगे कुछ नहीं लिखा है इट मीन दैट इज वन, इत्थे कुछ नहीं लिखा है इट मीन वन, के अगे कुछ नहीं है इट मीन वन। नाउ स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लाई, इस तरह मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसनू इस तरह मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इसनू विद साइन इस तरह मल्टीप्लाई करना है। पहले इसनू इस तरह करिए, आई डॉट आई पिछे तुसीं याद कर लिया, आई डॉट आई कितना हुंदा, आई डॉट आई जे डॉट जे के डॉट ए कितना हुंदा बेटा वन, आई डॉट आई जे डॉट जे के डॉट के इज इक्वल टू वन। So what you get here? I dot I 1, 2 1 the 2. Then this is plus sign, this is minus sign, plus minus minus. J dot J 1, 2 1 the 2. Then this is plus, this is plus. Here sign is plus. 2 1 the 2. So what is your answer? This 2 cancel with the 2. So your answer is 2. This is known as a dot product. इस तरह से बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल जोड़े ने वो सॉल्व कर सकते हैं वैक्टर प्रोडक्ट के उत्ते। नो दिस इज द स्केलर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज ए एंड बी। व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ डॉट प्रोडक्ट? Some properties. Number one, it is very clear if A vector is multiplied by A vector, what we get? A magnitude, angle between A and A, that is 0. So what you get the answer? A the square. Second property, two vectors are said to be perpendicular to each other if their dot product is 0. For example, if this vector is A, this vector is B, these are perpendicular, then the dot product of these two is always 0. If two vectors, if dot product of two vectors is 0, then vectors are always perpendicular to each other. Number 3, dot product obeys commutative law. It obeys commutative law. Means A dot B nu अगर B dot A लिख देंदे हो तो कोई फर्क नहीं पैंदा। A dot B is equal to B dot A. Number 4, it is used to find angle between two vectors. It is used to find angle between the two vectors. Let me take some numericals on dot. First numerical, show that vectors A vector is equal to 2i cap, 4j cap, 4j cap, minus 2k cap, and B vector is equal to 2i cap minus 4j cap minus j cap are perpendicular to each other. Suppose we want to solve this numerical. ये लिखा बेटा, A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. B vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap are perpendicular to each other. Use the property. Two vectors are said to be perpendicular to each other if their dot product is 0. ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ vectors are perpendicular if their dot product is 0. अगर A dot B 0 आ जाता है, अगर A dot B 0 आ जाता है तो ये वैक्टर्स एक दूजे के परपेंडिकुलर होंगे. लेट वी सी A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. B vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap. k है नहीं गा, अपने को लिख लेना है से 0k cap. I नीचे I, j नीचे j, k नीचे k. Now start multiply A dot B, A dot by. You know I dot I dot I 1, 2 to the 4. Then plus minus, multiply करो plus और minus नाल minus. Here is only j, means its magnitude is 1. Now 4 1 the 4. Plus minus minus 2 0 the 0. So 4 minus 4, answer is 0. A dot B कितना आ गया? A dot B कितना आ गया? 0. A dot B 0 means vectors are perpendicular. Hence, vectors are perpendicular to each other. Vector जेडे ने एक दूसरे दे perpendicular होंगे. Next question, अगर second numerical देखें, dot product is used to find the variable. Like determine the value of m if vectors A vector is equal to 2i cap plus mj cap plus k and B vector is equal to 4i cap minus 2j cap and minus 2k cap are perpendicular to each other. इस न्यूमेरिकल विच ये गिवन है भी दोनों वैक्टर्स एक दूजे के परपेंडिकुलर ने. और तुसी m की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है। यूज द प्रॉपर्टी two vectors are said to be perpendicular to each other if their dot product is 0, because vectors are perpendicular, so a dot b is equal to 0. A dot b 0 है। Now make the a dot b, a dot b, a dot b. What is a? 2i cap mj cap plus k cap. What is b? 4i cap 2j cap 2k cap. Now it is given a dot b is 0. Make a dot b. What is a dot b? A dot b is I dot I 1. You get 4 to the 8 plus minus 2 into m plus minus 2 1. But this is given. What is a dot b? A dot b is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 8 minus 2m minus 2. 0 is equal to 8 minus 2, 6 minus 2m. 6 minus 2m is equal to 0. You get 6 is equal to 2m. So what you get? M is equal to 3. By this way, you can find out the unknown value of some component of the given vector. So उम्मीद है तुसी डॉट प्रोडक्ट बारे काफ़ी कुछ सीख लिया होना है। नंबर 1, डॉट प्रोडक्ट विच हमेशा कॉस का यूज होंदा है। डॉट प्रोडक्ट के आंसर विच कदे भी आई जे के का जिक्र नहीं होंदा, सिर्फ न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर आउंदा है। नैक्सट लैक्चर दे विच वी विल डिस्कस द वैक्टर प्रोडक्ट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।